Hello, welcome to MA222 OL7 fully online statistical analysis course in the fall 2025 semester. In this video, I'm going to give you the brief introduction to our Brightspace course. I'm also going to show you the course contents in our Brightspace course. So first of all, log into Brightspace, and I already upload all the course contents and then important links inside the course. So first of all, there are several icons here. First thing I want to go over is take a look at the syllabus, textbook, and also the formula sheet. And click on the icon and take us to the syllabus. First of all, let's go over the syllabus. Okay, and click on the link, and you can download the file. It's PDF file. And yeah, let's open the file really quickly. In this file, so you're going to see MA222 OL7 statistical analysis. And this is a fully online class in the full 2025 semester. And this is my name, Emily, and then my email address right here. If you need to talk to me about your progress in the course, or if you have encountered any difficulty throughout the semester, you can send me an email, and then we can set up office hour. We can meet via Google Meet. And this course has 3 credits. So this course will cover the basic probability theory and random variables, measure of center and variations, probability distribution, binomial distribution, normal distribution, sampling distribution, estimation theory with the confidence intervals, hypothesis testing, and then correlation regression, etc. And all of the topics, chapter 1 is on the introduction to statistics, chapter 2, organizing and analyzing data, chapter 3, measure the center and variations, chapter 4, probability, chapter 5, discrete probability distribution, chapter 6, normal distribution and central limit theorem, chapter 7, confidence intervals, chapter 8, hypothesis testing, chapter 10, regression and correlation, and chapter 11, ANOVA and then chi-square test. That is an optional topic. If you are interested in that, I posted contents in that, and then you can review those. So the mandatory course material is the course ID. So you're going to need to copy this course ID 90951 when you set up into the Luma Home platform. So let me quickly show you how to set up to the Home platform. So if you click on it, it will take you to our Home platform, and it's called Lumen. And nice thing about this platform is it's open source, so it's free. You don't have to pay for it, and the enrollment process is very straightforward. You can just click on it, enroll in a new course. You can paste the course ID 90951. Leave the enrollment key blank. We don't need that, right? And then click on enroll. You're going to see our course name, MA222 OL7 statistical analysis, fully online, and teacher is me. And so all the information is matched, then you can enroll. And if this is the first time using the system, then you need to create a login. Put a username, password, first name, last name, email address. You can use your personal email or FIT email, and check those 2 options there. Click on submit, then your account will be created. And once you have an account, and then you can sign in on the same spot, right? Right here, you can put in username, password, login, and you should be able to see our course here. And this is the MA222 OL7. Click on that one, and all the home assignments and the due date has been set up here. You just follow all this due date closely. And every chapter has a homework and a quiz If you look at, let me just quickly show you the homework. What does homework look like? So teacher, click on the teacher preview. As you can see, this is what the homework look like. And then inside there, there's an embedded calculator. And you need a calculator to complete the most of the homework questions here. And this is pretty straightforward and user-friendly. You can master all these inputs really quickly. Okay. And you can use this when you tackle the homework problems, also complete a quiz, and then also use them to solve the problems in the midterm finals. Okay, and this is what the homework look like. And then typically you can try the homework 10 times, right? So usually 10 times is more than enough to get a correct answer here. And for all the quizzes, you can try 3 times, and then the high score will be counted, right? The homework you can try 10 times, high score will be counted. So there's no reason you cannot get 100 on the homework or quiz. And also the midterms, there's a practice midterm. You can use that to prepare for the actual midterm. Practice midterm exam does not count, right? It doesn't count towards the final course grade, but it's very useful. And there's a due date on the midterm exam. Midterm exam is due on Sunday, October 19th. So as you can see, everything is centralized in our homework platform. So you can just follow this closely. And the final exam is due on Sunday, December 14th. That's also the last day of the first semester. And let's go back to the one more time. Let me open the syllabus one more time. And let's go back to the syllabus. So that will take care of the homework platform. So set up to the homework platform as soon as possible. And also you need a scientific calculator. You can use the embedded one. You don't have to get the actual one if you don't want to buy one. Not a problem. But you can also use the Microsoft Excel as a calculator if you know how to use the Microsoft Excel. And I recommend a couple books. First one is the Essential Statistics, 5th edition by Triola. The other one is Introductory Business Statistics by OpenStax. And both of them are optional because I upload a PDF file of both books. So feel free to go over any contents, or you can read through the entire book if you like to read the book. So this is basically available here. So no zero cost on the textbook. Okay. And then also the formula sheet and tables. This is also a very important item for you to successfully complete the coursework. So here, this is from the Triola textbook. It has all the formulas you need. And let's take a look at it. So when you work on the homework assignments, quizzes, and exams, you're allowed to use the formula sheet. And this is organized by the chapter. So each chapter has several formulas. You can look up the formula. If you don't want to memorize any formula, just understand the procedure, how to use them. So you can use them right here. And also, if you go down here, there's a table. So table A2 is called a Z table. So when you get to chapter 6, 7, 8, and 10, you need to use the Z table here. So it has a couple pages. And then when you get to chapter 7 and then beyond, you need to use the T table. It's called table A3. That's pretty useful table. And also there's another table, but you don't need it. It's called chi-square table. So for this semester, you don't need it. So that's basically everything in our formula sheet. And let's go back to the so the grade distribution. The homework is worth 40%, quizzes is worth 20%, midterm and final is worth 20% apiece. And I'm following the grading policy from the registrar's office, right? So this is basically how you get the grade. Right? assign grade based on these skills. And you got a disabled student, meaning you register with the feedable office, you can send me an email and I'll provide a proper accommodation. Okay, and you can read through this. And then the thing is, in our course, plagiarism and academic integrity statement, just basically need to work on the quizzes and then exams by yourself without outside help. And you can seek help to complete the home assignment. That's okay, but you need to work independently on quizzes and exams. You need a tech support, you can contact the FIT's online support service help desk. You can use either the email link here, email, or you can use the web link, or you can even call them. So generally speaking, you can contact the academic tutoring center for tutoring service if you need help. Okay, and it's free service. It's located in A60AB. And also, please complete your homework, coursework on time. Please email me if you have any questions throughout the semester. That's pretty much everything in our syllabus. And I already introduced the books, PDF file of the books, and a formula sheet. I also create a document called course guide. And on the course guide is a PDF file as well. If you open the course guide, and you're going to see that all the due dates together with the content, related content, is listed on the course guide. And just follow this. This is consistent with the due date in the home platform. Okay, just follow this closely. And also, I created a web link for the home platform. So if you need to have a quick access, it's called Lumen. You can also go to Google, type in Lumen OL chat. I'll take you to our home platform, and you can just log in from there. Okay, so there's the home link, and also the most important, one of the most important things, lecture videos and PowerPoint. So we call it lecture videos for every single sections throughout the course. So chapter 1, you're gonna have 3 PowerPoint together with the 3 videos. All those videos are the YouTube video, so you can review them at your convenience, and also you can review them multiple times if necessary. And the first item usually is the PowerPoint. Second item is the video. So on a weekly basis, you just review the PowerPoint together with the videos to learn the content. And after you complete this, you go onto the Lumen Home platform and finish all the home assignments. That's kind of like a weekly routine for you. And all the videos are here. The central location for everything. So just follow this accordingly throughout the semester. And usually you can just, and also I post chapter 11, chi-square and ANOVA, but those are option topics. If you want to review them, you can review them at your convenience. Okay. Yeah, so basically that's pretty much everything in our Brightspace course. And again, feel free to email me if you have any questions throughout the semester, and I hope you enjoy the course.